I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Efficiency is the backbone of any successful trade. Let's look at how to master your digital office today.
Learn how to create a purchase order from a sales invoice with similar details to save time on admin tasks in Xero. First, click Sales, then select Invoices. Select the Status tab of the sales invoice you want to copy. For example, Awaiting Payment. You can't copy invoices from the All tab. Select the checkbox next to each invoice you want to include in your purchase order. If invoice reminders are off, you'll see a Copy To button. If invoice reminders are on, click More, and then select Copy To. Then choose Purchase Order. To add an optional contact, type the name into the field, then select them from the list. You'll need to add a contact in the purchase order if you don't enter one here. Xero merges all information into one purchase order if you've selected multiple invoices. When the Use Item Details If Set checkbox is selected, Xero copies the individual line item details for the invoices. Click Copy or Copy and Merge to create the purchase order. Check and update the details as needed. Then, click Save to return to the purchase order later, or Submit for approval to finalize it ready to send to the supplier. Select the checkbox next to the purchase order and click Approve, and then Approve. To share the purchase order with your supplier, select the checkbox next to the approved purchase order, then click Send. Customize the email message as needed and click Send. Now you can create purchase orders from sales invoices without needing to re-enter the same information